Have you ever heard a story that only lasted a few minutes, yet stayed in your mind for the rest of the day? That's the power of Zen Stories. With just a short story, we can discover profound lessons about life, inner peace, gratitude, and new ways of looking at the world around us. In today's video, I'll show you how to create beautiful Zen story videos entirely with AI using VideoGen. You don't need to know how to write a script. You don't need to know how to draw. And you don't need any video editing experience. Hi everyone! Welcome back to AI with Mia. This is where I share practical AI tutorials to help you create content faster, easier, and more professionally. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, click the link in the description below this video. Then, sign up for or log in to VideoGen. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main VideoGen dashboard. On the left is the navigation panel, where you'll find all of VideoGen's main features. In the center, you'll see all of the video projects you've created previously. To start a new project, simply click New Project. Then choose Script to Video. This feature allows AI to automatically turn your script into a complete video. After creating your project, if you already have a script written with ChatGPT or any other AI tool, simply paste it directly into the script editor in the center of the screen. If you don't have a script yet, you can use the AI assistant on the left to help generate one. In this example, I'll ask the AI to generate 10 Zen story ideas. Once the AI provides the list of ideas, I'll choose the one I like best and ask it to turn that idea into a complete script. In my opinion, a story of around 200 words works very well for this type of video. It's long enough to deliver a meaningful message while remaining concise and engaging. After just a few seconds, the AI will automatically generate the script and display it in the script editor in the center of the screen. From there, you can review the entire script and make any changes you'd like before generating your video. Once your script is ready, we'll move down to the settings below to customize the video before generating it. First is aspect ratio. Here, choose the aspect ratio that best matches the platform where you plan to publish your video. For a standard YouTube video, I'll choose 16:9. Next is the visual section. This is where you'll configure how AI generates the visuals for your video. First is image source. Here, you can choose whether to use AI-generated images or images from VideoGen's built-in library, depending on your needs. For Zen story videos, I'll use AI-generated images, so every scene has a consistent, artistic style that better matches the story. Next is image quality. Most of the time, I leave this set to standard because the image quality is already excellent, and it also generates videos faster. Next is visual style. VideoGen offers a wide variety of visual styles. You can quickly choose one of the styles displayed here, or click View All to browse the entire style library. For this Zen story video, I'll choose ink paint. This style creates beautiful visuals inspired by traditional East Asian ink paintings, featuring soft brush strokes, minimalist colors, and a peaceful atmosphere. In my opinion, it's one of the best styles for Zen stories because it gives the video a timeless, artistic, and contemplative feel. Next is voice. I recommend choosing a voice that's calm, clear, and natural. For Zen stories, a relaxed voice with a steady pace helps viewers immerse themselves in the story and better appreciate its deeper meaning. Right below that is Add Avatar. For this type of video, I usually leave the avatar turned off. This allows viewers to focus entirely on the visuals, the narration, and the story itself. Next, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the background music section. You can turn the background music on or off, depending on your preference. If you decide to use background music, I recommend choosing something soft and relaxing, such as piano, bamboo flute, or gentle nature sounds to match the peaceful mood of the story. It's also a good idea to keep the background music at a moderate volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. Next is captions. Here, you can enable or disable captions. You can also customize their position, color, size, and font to match the style of your video. Right below that is transitions. Here, You can choose transition effects between scenes to make your video feel smoother and more natural. For Zen Stories, I recommend using subtle transitions and avoiding effects that are too fast or overly dramatic. Next is logo watermark. If you'd like to build your brand, you can upload your logo and VideoGen will automatically add it as a watermark to your video. Once you've finished adjusting all of these settings, simply click Generate Video. VideoGen will automatically generate the visuals, narration, captions, scene transitions, and combine everything into a complete video. Once the video has been generated, you can preview the entire project to review the results. If you're happy with how everything looks, you can export your video right away. If you'd like to make additional changes, simply click Edit. Inside the editor, you'll find a variety of tools on the left side of the screen that let you quickly update your entire project. From here, you can change the AI narrator, animate images into videos, restyle all images, add transitions, and much more. These tools make it easy to update your entire project with just a few clicks. If you want to edit a specific scene, simply select the corresponding image on the timeline. VideoGen will display several editing tools on the right side of the screen. You can replace the image, turn it into a video, remove the background, enhance the image quality, or add 3D motion to make the scene more dynamic. You can also type your editing request directly into the prompt box below the image. For example, you can ask VideoGen to add or remove an object, change part of the scene, or adjust the image to better match your story. You can also edit the original prompt or regenerate the image if the result isn't exactly what you had in mind. Once you've finished editing and you're completely satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. First, click Share. Next, select Download. Then choose 1080p Full HD as your video quality. Finally, click Export Video. Now all you have to do is wait a few minutes while VideoGen finishes rendering your video. Once the download is complete, your Zen Story video is ready to upload to YouTube or any other social media platform. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
A farmer lived alone at the edge of a village with one horse and a small plot of land. One morning, the horse broke through the fence and ran off into the hills. The neighbors gathered and shook their heads. "What terrible luck," they said. The farmer looked toward the hills and replied, "Maybe." A week later, the horse returned and it brought 3 wild horses with it. The neighbors clapped and cheered. "What wonderful luck!" The farmer simply nodded, "Maybe." His son set to work taming the wild horses. On the 3rd day, one threw him hard to the ground and broke his leg. The neighbors winced. "What terrible luck!" The farmer knelt beside his son, then looked up. "Maybe." That winter, soldiers rode through the village, drafting every able-bodied young man into a brutal war. They passed the farmer's son without a second glance. His broken leg had spared him. The neighbors stood quietly this time. "What incredible luck," one finally whispered. The farmer watched the soldiers disappear down the road. Maybe. Life rarely announces itself as good or bad in the moment it arrives. The farmer knew this. He never celebrated too hard or grieved too long. He simply stayed present and let things unfold.
As you can see, creating a Zen Story video with AI is much easier than most people imagine. In just a few simple steps, VideoGen can help you create a complete story with beautiful ink paint visuals, natural-sounding narration, captions, and smooth scene transitions, all while saving you a tremendous amount of time compared to creating everything manually. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create your own relaxing and meaningful YouTube channel, where you can share thoughtful stories and life lessons that resonate with people around the world. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!